Where's my paper scissors? Ah, here they are, which is good. I'm going to need them to open this box. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the June 2021 Precuts Classic box from Precuts Quilt Shop Craft. I always stumble on their name, and I have no idea why. So let's cut open our envelope. Ah! Yeah, there we go. We're going to dive into this box in just a minute, but before we do, let me please ask you, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you wouldn't mind at any time during this video, if you're enjoying what you see here, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you want to know how to sign up for this box, all the information will be in the first comment right below this video. Let's dive in. So here's the box. We're going to pop it open and give you a sneaky peeky. This is what the inside is. We've got some like purple shimmery paper and boom. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! All right, so we have got our pamphlet that tells us all about everything that's in the box. We're going to take a quick peeky. We have got our block number 5 for their block of the month program. On the back side, there are 2 coupon codes, one for 25% off of your entire order, and another, which can't be combined with that one, for free shipping on orders over $25. Okay, so for important announcements, it sounds like they're in their new building now. Yay! But now it's time to do inventory, so they're going to be closed from July 7th through July 23rd, and they will reopen on July 25th, but that time period is not going to interfere with the delivery of the July box. If you want to know who the fabric designer is going to be for July, you can visit precutsquiltshop.com/club, and they will reveal to you the fabric designer so you can get in on the July box. Or if you just want a sneak peek, that's a way you can find out. The share and win winner is Fabulous Marilyn. So if you get one of their boxes and you share an unboxing or a picture of it using their hashtags, you're entered into a random drawing for your next box to be free. So congratulations, Fabulous Marilyn. I hope you enjoy your next box on Precuts. First thing that we have is a small spool of Metler cotton thread. This is what that color looks like. It's like a really pretty kind of off-white a little bit. I don't know what the color number is. Ah, it's a 9105, I think. I don't know. I can't tell on these spools because I use Aurifil and I don't know how to read the spool. But it's a whitish color, and the retail value on this spool of thread is $4. It says it's a silk finish cotton. Does that make a difference? Our notion this month is a 4.5-inch Cute Cuts ruler. These are designed by Lori Holt, and they are really cute. Taking a look at the template down here, this is what you've got. Getting lots of glare. There you go. I like them. I think they're pretty and they're easy to read, but this color on the sides confuses me. Somebody told me that the color on these rulers is actually 1/4 of an inch, which I know is actually incorrect because if you count it off, this color is actually going a little bit more than 3/8 of an inch. It's almost up to the 1/2 inch line. It's kind of in between the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch line in the ruler. So I don't know what the color is there to resemble, but it's pretty. So there's that. I can feel like underneath here, that green is where the texture is. And there's also, by the way, where all these little flowers are, those are also textured on the back with that like anti-slip stuff. So anyway, we have a 4.5-inch Cute Cuts ruler from Lori Holt, and the retail value on this is $8.50. Our pattern this month is designed by Diana Bettle for Precuts Quilt Shop Craft, and the quilt size is going to be 94 inches by 94 inches. Oh my goodness. To make this, you're going to need a layer cake. Spoiler alert, we may have got one in this box. A 1/3 yard red fabric, a 1/3 yard of blue fabric, 4 yards of your background, 3/4 of a yard for your inner border, 1 2/3 of a yard for your outer border, 1 yard for your binding, and then 6 yards for your backing. The quilt size without the border is 80 inches by 80 inches. So if you want to sacrifice some of that size and not put as much into this fabric-wise, you're still going to have a really good size quilt. This is what the pattern looks like. The retail value on this is $10. Taking a look at the pattern on the inside, the outside is just a jacket that tells you about the pattern, and then when you open it up, you have a coloring sheet so you can design your own quilt using that pattern, and you can list out what you're actually using for the fabric. I think that's kind of neat. The instructions are using a font that's easy to read. I haven't read through this to see if it makes sense, but I will tell you the illustrations in here are actual. There's a combination of illustrations as well as actual color photographs. So if the words don't make sense to you, the illustrations should. And it looks like it's really easy to put together, so cool. So our fabric package this month includes the red accent and the blue accent, and she's pulled fabric from the Country Confetti by Poppy Cotton. This is the 1/3 yard of blue from Country Confetti. The retail value on this cut is $4.66. And to go with that, we have the red from Country Confetti by Poppy Cotton, and this retail is $4.66. So for both of these cuts, she's saying the retail value on both of these together is $9.33. Hey Siri, what's 466 times 2?
466 times 2 is 932.
The math isn't quite right, but it's only off by a penny. If each one of these 1/3 yard cuts cost $4.66, $4.66 times 2 is $9.32, but it's only off by a penny, so anybody can make that mistake. It just threw me off because I know any number added to itself is basically double, and whenever you double something, the number is going to be even. And so when the retail value for both of those cuts was odd, I was like, wait a minute, something's not right. But no big deal. It's only off by a penny. So that takes us to our fabric this month. We have got an entire layer cake of some delicious Poppy Cotton fabric. This is the Kaylee Rose fabric from Poppy Cotton. And I'm not going to take these 10-inch stackers out of the bundle because, to be completely honest with you, there's no ribbon. I will never get this put back together. So what I'm doing right now is giving you an image right here on the screen that shows you all of the fabric that is in this line. Diana writes in the pamphlet that Kaylee Rose speaks whimsical sweetness with the combination of adorable animals, deer and bunnies, tiny houses, and lots of flowers, roses, mushrooms, ferns, plaid, letters, and numbers, along with the perfect geometric tone-on-tone print. The color palette showcases sweet pinks, reds, greens, mints, teals, and whites. There are 2 quilts designed for this collection called Farm Sweet Farm and Cross My Heart. This layer cake has 42 10-inch by 10-inch pieces of fabric in here, so the entire fabric line is represented in this layer cake, and the retail value on this is $46. That's right, 46 bucks. Remember, the cost of fabric has gone up. Taking a look at the box overall, there is a $8.85 value that is listed in the pamphlet, bringing the entire box value to $86.68. That's your layer cake, your pattern, your spool of thread, and the accent fabric, and that 4.5-inch cute cuts ruler. What did you guys think of the box overall? Hit or miss? That's everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for diving into the box with me. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys all Friday night. Bye.